Hello everyone, and today I'm reviewing the complete book of origami by Robert J. Lang. This is one of the essential books that is a must-have for anyone who likes origami. Just a couple of things I like about this book I just want to talk about is number one, this book is one of I think the initial books that had come out of about origami and uses the Akira Yoshizawa method of origami signs and symbols while diagramming. This is I think one of the initial books of Robert J. Lang where even him and John Montrall have used this system of Akira Yoshizawa diagramming, and which has become the more standardized norm today. A couple of things about this book is that it's one of the most challenging books. It's not an easy book. It's somewhere some senior intermediate or simple complex, a high intermediate and simple complex people. That's where I would say you can start with this book. It's really good. I think there are just 37 models in it, but each of them are challenging. I think the grand design here has been the cuckoo clock, which I would not say is the complicated one, but it's one of the designs where you're going to have to spend a lot of time on. And the only drawback I think about this book is that it had been published in 1988. That makes it slightly dated, and that's why this book is a good book. It's a classic book. It's slightly dated because there have been a lot of changes in origami over the years. It's been 30 years since this book has come out. So but if you keep that aside, this is a really good book. Thank you.